everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a review and unboxing of Superbottoms padded underwear for kids, and in today's video I will be sharing with you 3 such padded underwear for kids which are very useful, and I've been using this, and if you want I can show you after wash of these. So let us start. So here I am unboxing, and my baby is very curious and very happy to unbox it with me. So he's also unboxing. So let us see what they have sent us. So this is not a sponsored video, I have bought for my kid. So these are Superbottoms underwear. As you can see, it comes in this box. He's very excited. So the underpants which he's wearing now also is the same. After that I purchased this because it was very nice, so I thought why not buy another set of underpants for him. So this is very comfortable, and if you want your baby to be diaper free, he's just one and a half year. So yeah, these come in 3 set. You can buy it single piece also, but I wanted to buy in 3 piece. So the material is very soft and very comfortable. It comes in different types of prints. This is a dinosaur print, this is a fish print, and it is very nice and it is very comfortable. This one is with all the vehicles. So my baby was very excited and he was showing, that is fish and this is bus and all of those. So yeah, it is very nice. The print is very nice, and after wash also there is no fade of color, and it is very bright in color. So it's very pretty, and you can use it for your kids if you like. So here he is showing that is bus and that is fish. So he was very excited for the print here. So now in this summer it is very important that you keep your kids diaper free. So this is a very good option if you are looking for a half an hour or 1 hour time for your babies to change the underpants, or if they pee or something like that. So this one is a very good option. I have researched a lot, I've seen a lot of reviews, so I thought this one is the best for my kid. So this is what I'm sharing with you now, so you can just see what are the options and you can choose for yourself. So these are good if you want to train your babies for potty or something like that, and it is very useful for kids. First I purchased the size 3. So there are 3 sizes in this. So one is 1, 2 and 3. So first I didn't know how to choose the size, so first I bought size 3. I thought it will be good if I order one size bigger, because he'll be growing fast. So kids grow very fast, right? So I thought 3 will be good, but it was very loose for him. So next I ordered the size 2. So this one is the size 2 which I've ordered, and the clip which you're seeing now is after wash. So after wash also there is no fade of color, and it is very nice. It is cotton, so it is very good for kids nowadays, since it is summer. So you can try, and I will show you how it looks inside. So this is the part which is inside, which is padded. So that is also in the same material and same print. So they have given the pad only in, they have just attached a part of that particular cloth in the center, so that it soaks the pee. So this is how it looks, and this one is after, I guess, 20 to 30 washes. So still it is intact and it is very nice. So you can buy this particular brand and this particular underpant. It is very good for kids. And yes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until my next video, bye.